gentlemen. This is the staff captain speaking, wishing you a warm welcome to Stavanger. I'm pleased to say that we're now safely secure alongside, gangways are ready, and we've received clearance from the local authorities for you to proceed ashore.
Ta-da! Good morning. Today we're at Stavanger. Ta-da! And we're going to go off on that boat there, on the little Rodney boat, and we're going to go all the way and see Pulpit Rock, which we did before. We love. And it's going to be lots of fun.
Touch wood.
I think it's going to be shower. It could be a bit chilly on the boat, which is why I'm wearing a bobble hat and I look like a gnome. We got a bit of everything with us, haven't we? Sun cream and all. So it's going to be an adventure, people. Let's go.
Let's go.
Hi everyone, welcome to part 2 of our P&O Britannia Norwegian Fjords group cruise.
Funny little steps. Here we are, we're on dry land.
Having done this excursion in the past and really enjoyed it, we suggested it to the rest of the group prior to our cruise.
This is our boat. This is our little trip for the day.
We booked our trip independently via rodney.no, which cost us 795 Norwegian kroner each, which is about £56 per person. We'll pop a link to the website in the video description.
Here we go, we're off. There's Britannia.
Setting off, we got to admire Britannia from up close, as well as the Hertoguten ship berthed just around the corner. When we first called at Stavanger years ago, we didn't think too much of this port, but over time we've really come to love it. Having been here several times over the years and doing the hop on hop off buses and exploring on foot, so far we think this is the best excursion to do. In fact, we wish we found it sooner. Having left Stavanger and making our way deeper into the fjord, our adventure was now well underway. This was evident by the urban landscape transforming quite quickly into the beautiful yet dramatic landscape we could see before us. Along the way we saw several salmon farms, with seafood being one of Norway's main exports after oil and gas. We even saw a helicopter. I guess that's one way to commute. Cruising the Norwegian fjords on a cruise ship is absolutely incredible. However, taking a trip on a smaller boat like this certainly gives you a far more dramatic perspective. Everything feels so much more epic somehow. Motoring on, next we're taken to see a troll face formed naturally, which didn't take much imagination to make out.
So yeah, if you look up there, like, you can see it looks like a face. No, I think it's good.
If I'm making it up.
That's clever. He looks like he's just rested. So yeah, we're going in to look at this face.
Backing out into the fjord and heading further along, next we were taken to visit some rather hungry goats and one or two peckish birds who made the most of the opportunity.
He's loving his little life, isn't he? Yeah, so it's just, oh, you can't see it, it'll come around now, you'll see it properly.
What happened?
This is it, here look. You can see it a lot better this time.
Finally, the moment we'd all been waiting for, we now found ourselves at Pulpit Rock. Of course, a few cheeky selfies were in order to mark the occasion. After admiring Pulpit Rock, we were taken deeper into Lysefjord, where we got to see a beautiful waterfall right up close, before turning around and making our way back.
So we've now stopped here because some people are doing hiking. They're doing like a cruise and hike, and some people are getting off. They didn't do this last time. These are all the hiker people. So we've enjoyed another fabulous cruise on the Rodney boat, haven't we? It's been really, really good, and it's a lot drier today, people. It's been really, really quite pleasant, hasn't it? Scenery was spectacular, and the little face thing was really good. The troll face. I didn't realise that was there last time. I didn't pay much attention, but I did this time. I enjoyed it. So yeah, now we're on our merry old way back to our ship.
I think everybody's enjoyed themselves.
It's been really relaxed, really fun. It's just the scenery. Just look at it. Look at that. It's just incredible, it really is. And there's a bit of like rain or mist coming through there now. That looks really quite mystical. So yeah, back to the ship, folks.
Let's go.
We are back, we are back, we are off our trip. That was really good. That's twice we've done it now, and we've enjoyed it both times. This time a little bit more so because it was drier. Oh, it's been lovely though. Now we're going to go and get some photos in front of our ship, then we're going to go on board. Now we're getting back on our ship. We're going to go to the glasshouse, aren't we? We've had our little jolly day. We've had our photos. Here comes the drinks. It's started, everybody. It's started. Who's that? Outer Limits? Yeah. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Whilst enjoying our drinks at the glasshouse, we were treated to a performance by a local choir brought on board.
Here's number 2. Oh, look at this. Good egg. Just trying to work out which ones are they. Thank you. Oh, lovely. So drunk the drinks at the glasshouse, and now we're going to the grill for a snack, and we're all going to get ourselves like a bagel or something. So we're here by the pool, and here's Gavin, here's Nick, and we're going to get the food. You right there, Luke?
Yeah. I got some fries. And I got pizza which I felt because we couldn't get food in the glasshouse, really, could we?
Oh, here he goes.
And now we're drinking the drink. Look.
Oh look, he's drinking the drinks, look. Just to prove it's not faked at all.
Drinking the drink. That's the new drink.
Drinking the drinks.
Drinking the drink.
Drinking the drinks and eating
Cheers.
the Hello.
After enjoying our food and drinks, we all decided to go back to our cabin for a little sailaway party.
We are off, we are leaving, here we go, the ropes are all in, we are off, people. This has been fantastic. Thank you very much, Stavanger. It's been an awesome day, we've had loads of fun. Oh, there, the people are waving, look, the people are waving. Josh, you should go in there and get the yellow hand. Can Josh have the yellow hand, please? So, there are people waving on there. Josh has banana fingers hands, and he's going to wave to the people. Look, the people on the bench over there. Where are they? They were there. I did see. Where are the people? Oh, they're waving. Look, the man's waving. Look, Josh, he's waving to you. See the white building over there? He's waving to you, look. Look, they're waving. Woo! They're waving. The lady in the blue coat is waving. Give her a wave, Josh. Give him a wave. Woo! Oh, you know that island there in the middle? I think there's a camera on there, but it's broken at the moment. And when you watch on YouTube, you see all the cruise ships every day. They park out and they watch it from there. I think at the minute it's just got this big green blob on it.
As us grown-ups were being boring chatting and all that, Josh took it upon himself to film our sail out of Stavanger. We're glad somebody did, otherwise we wouldn't have had much. Well done, Josh. After our little sailaway party, it was time to head up to the Ivory Suite for our group cruise meetup.
We really enjoyed our little meetup. It was great talking to everyone and finding out what they'd gotten up to in port earlier. The hour flew by. Soon after, we went back to our cabin to change for the evening.
You right, Luke?
I am ready.
Hang on. 2, 3, 2, 1, pop.
I am ready. Look at this. So, we've left Stavanger and now, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to go to the Epicurean, aren't we?
And this, we were very lucky today. We didn't have rain, but it's raining now.
Look at this though. Look at this. Tonight, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to go to the Epicurean, which we've been most kindly gifted and given the experience by Captain Josh. He's treating us, and the cruise boys, they've treated us to this most auspicious occasion. It's going to be nice. It's going to be nice, tasty food. It's going to be lovely. We're celebrating this whole voyage. It's been amazing.
The Epicurean is P&O Cruises' signature specialty dining venue. Dinner here costs £28 per person if pre-booked, which is something we'd recommend, and is quite the experience. As always, if you'd like to study this menu in more detail, just pause the video.
So I've decided what I'm going to have. I shall have the Alaskan snow crab, langoustine and salmon caviar cocktail for my starter, and then for my main course I am going to go for the 28-day aged grain finished Australian black Angus seal steak. So I'm going to go for. So Gavin, have you decided what you're going to go for? Not yet. Well, when he decides, he will tell you what he's going to go for. So I'll give the camera to Gav, and he will tell you what he is going to have.
There's a lot of choice.
It's very comprehensive menu. It's actually a lot of choice, isn't it?
So I'm going for the 24-hour slow cooked ox cheek, followed by the 28-day grain-fed Australian black Angus sirloin steak.
So although we've chose our food, we've all decided, haven't we? We've all decided now. We're going to go for the soup. So we're going to go for the seasonal soup here. We're going to have this as well, which actually sounds really nice. So yeah, we're going to go for a starter, a soup, and then a main course, aren't we? That's what we're going to do, yes.
Ordering a soup course as well as a starter was absolutely no problem at all.
Look at this. This is our moose boosh from the chef. Cheers. Oh, that looks nice, Gavin's food has arrived. Our starters have arrived. Look at these. Oh, wow. Oh.
Snow crab, langoustine, salmon caviar with a pea and sherbet.
Lovely, thank you.
And a cucumber.
That looks fantastic.
There is a raindrop cake. Raindrop cake on the side, cucumber, lemon sorbet. There is a small pepper contains gin. So you need to squeeze it all and enjoy.
Okay. We will do, don't you worry. It's like a palate cleanse, I think.
Yeah.
Oh.
I'd say it's more like lemon sorbet. So.
Like a jelly thing underneath.
With elderflower parfait and a sorbet.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
You've probably noticed that I've changed seat. This is because Josh and I have a sweet tooth and decide to share a selection of puddings between us.
That's lovely.
There was an
Like good?
elderflower ice cream to go with it. Wasn't there?
How are you boys doing? You alright?
Let's taste this now.
Oh, apple crumbles banging. Oh, that's nice.
Isn't that so true? A good crumble is like the best dessert on the planet.
Hello. So, we are very tired. We've come back to our room. We've had a spectacular evening.
Very nice,
The
very
food at Epicurean was lovely. Thank you so much, Justin, Tristan, and Captain Josh. That was amazing. We really enjoyed that. And then we went to the Crow's Nest for some like post-dinner drinks. And now we've come back to our room and we decided we were going to have
Not too bad.
we were going to say we were going to have an early night, but 2 o'clock in the morning is not that early really. Tomorrow is the most spectacular sailing. I love Flam and the fjords are beautiful. I cannot wait for tomorrow. So yeah, goodbye everybody. Good night. we are signing out. Oh.
We really hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, please give it a like, and we'd be really grateful if you kindly consider subscribing to our channel, as it helps us out loads and we'd really appreciate it. Next time on Cruise Monkeys.
Good morning. So today we are at Flam. Ta-da! It's been a bit rainy this morning, but it's dried up, and the clouds they are there, but it's clearing up. And we're going on our train today. It's going to be loads of fun.
Here we go, we are off.
This is the only section with double tracks.
So now we're getting on. Wow, that's cool. We're in a tunnel. Look at this.
We're inside a tunnel.
And now we're going to see the singing person. So we've had our stop and now we have to get back on our train. So we've reached our stop. What's this place called? Mirrodale. So what's going to happen now is we've got a short time here, then we go back on the very same train we've come up on and go all the way back down to Flam. But the scenery has been absolutely phenomenal. It's been spectacular. So we have just come off the train and we're now going to do a quick little photo shoot here with the ship, and then we're going to head over to our favourite Viking bar. So yes, now we are heading back. We have to go to the Sunset Bar. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to go to the Blue Bar. So what we're trying to do is trying to mix all the venues up so people get to experience different venues, different nights. And if people don't want to go to certain venues, they can just join us at different locations. Good night, everybody. Good night. Bye.
Night, people.
See you tomorrow.
Bye. Thanks for watching.